Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're discussing an important topic for your financial future, and that's what is an IRA account. So if you're thinking about preparing for retirement, this video is for you. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is a type of savings account designed to help you save for retirement with tax advantages. There are different types of IRAs, each with their own unique features. Let's break it down. First, there's the traditional IRA. Contributions to a traditional IRA are often tax deductible, and the money in the account grows tax deferred. This means you won't pay taxes on it until you withdraw it in retirement. Next up is the Roth IRA. Unlike the traditional IRA, contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax dollars, meaning you don't get a tax deduction up front. However, your money grows tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. There are also SEP and simple IRAs, which are designed for small business owners and self-employed individuals. These accounts have higher contribution limits, allowing you to save more for retirement. So why should you consider opening an IRA? Well, these accounts offer tax benefits, and the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest can significantly boost your retirement savings over time. Planning for retirement isn't just about saving, it's also about managing your finances wisely. This is where having a solid budget can make a huge difference. By tracking your expenses and setting financial goals, you can ensure that you're on the right path to a comfortable retirement. Using tools like budgeting apps can help you stay organized and monitor your spending. These apps can simplify the process, helping you to save more efficiently and make informed decisions about your retirement savings. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly contribute to your IRA and review your financial plan periodically. Adjust your contributions as your income and expenses change over time. By understanding what an IRA account is and implementing effective budgeting strategies, you can set yourself up for financial stability in retirement. It's all about making informed choices and planning ahead. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more tips on preparing for retirement and managing your finances. See you next time.